Ang saya-saya ko dahil pinasalubungan ako ng anak ko ng paborito ko. Isa sa paborito ko doon sa bagong restaurant na kinakainan namin, yung yummy bowl ang tawag doon. Ay, super sarap. I choose that. There's so many choices that you can put it in the noodles. I choose all the spice, all the seafoods with chicken teriyaki sauce. That's what I use. Ang sarap, sobra talaga. You know, we just had this the other day and we miss it already. It's just like so far in our place. So we have to travel like an hour, I think an hour to go there, but it's worth it na. It's worth it, and you're the one who will pick what you want to put in that bowl. Whether you like it with rice or without, but you can put everything. There's also meat like a steak, like everything. You can put a lot of food in that bowl, and then they serve it like that. And it's not pricey. It's affordable ang price niya. And I eat that twice because the bowl is so big and I cannot finish it in one meal. So I eat that lunch and then dinner. The other half I eat at dinner. So I was so happy during that time because I had my favorite noodles. And then lagi kong binabasa yung ano nila. Meron silang parang pa-dessert na there's a quote inside of it. So ayan lang guys. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Please like and share.